Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So let's say you want to rename your table. So how you can do this? Here you can see my table name is students, so I'm going to now rename it. So I will say rename table, the table name, current name, and that is students. I will say to, let's say YouTuber. Okay, semicolon. Now my table name would be changed. Now I want to actually show all the tables, so I will say here show tables, then the database name, okay, and that is webtechdb. Sorry, we have to use here form. Okay, now we have to click here this lightning button, and here you can see all the tables. So our table was students, right, and now it changed to YouTubers. So now let's change it once again. So I will say rename table, then table name, current name is YouTuber, right, YouTubers to students. Run this query, and let's say now I want to show the tables. So I will say show tables from our schema name, and that is project database name webtechdb. And now you can see students. All right,